We at the India Exposition Mart are proudly flagging off the 2021 edition of the country's B2B Food and Hospitality Trade Show, India International Hospitality Expo.
We do is we provide the laundry solutions for the hospitality industry. We have been getting good response, good footfall from all the hospitality chains. We wish very thanks and very much congratulations to the entire IHE team.
We received a tremendous feedback from the customers here in the IHE, and the response from the customers are very good. And the overall arrangement and the after COVID period, this is the first exhibition. The arrangement and the facilities are up to the mark.
तो हमारी बहुत सारी इंक्वायरीज़ भी आई हुई हैं, तो जो कि एक्सपो के बाद में हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे। और अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके। कोशिश करता हूँ कि आगे की जो पार्टिसिपेशंस होंगे हम उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
This IHE experience has been great. I think it's the first in-person expo post the COVID period. We met a lot of people out here, a lot of good inquiries, and we hopefully should be back here next year.
It was a great experience. Our target market was to connect with a lot of hoteliers, caterers, restaurant owners, chefs. Like, it was a very good platform for us to connect with all of them. We were able to get our product out there to all the, our target market, which is the hoteliers, caterers. We also got to meet the purchase heads of different hotels, which was one of the, the best takeaway from this exhibition.
We have first time, participated in this exhibition for the IHE 2021, and overall our experience has been fabulous. We have been meeting the best industry experts, and overall the experience is so far so very good.
We are looking to connect with all the hotel industries, all the corporates, and IHE help us to connect with the hotel industry.
Right now, I'm sitting in the Indian Hospitality Fair, and I'm amazed to look at the response of the walk-ins in here. With all the precautions in place, people are walking in, coming in, and appreciating the design and work put up by us.
ये एक बहुत बढ़िया स्टैंड है जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है, और यहाँ पे क्लाइंटेज जो है जेन्युइन क्लाइंटेज है, जो कि डिफरेंट होटल्स के ओनर्स, बायर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स अटेंड करते हैं।
I urge people to come and visit our store and this IHE event, because I am also trying to explore new business through this IHE event.
We are participating as a show partner, providing solutions for clean air providers, virus-free clean air providers. हम पहली बार पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस। ये एक्सपो मार्ट ने एक शुरुआत की है फूड इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए, जो हमारी जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्रीज थी इस समय सबसे पीछे चल रही थी, और उसको सबसे ज़रूरत है रिवाइव होने की। और मैं इनके लिए, जो इनके ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं, इनको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि इन्होंने ये शुरुआत की।
So the best part working with us is it's a one-stop solution when it comes to the manufacturing part. We have our in-house design team which helps you out with the planning of the whole outer look and feel of the truck because obviously, you know, as we say, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
I look forward to coming back every year. I've already encouraged the rest of our team to come back here, and thank you everyone for hosting one of the most brilliant hospitality shows I've seen. Thanks again.
Today I got an opportunity to maybe spend a few hours in this IHE expo which is being held today, and I'm amazed at the kind of products which is on display there, and I'm also happy that after a long gap such a physical fair has been organized. So I would like to thank the organizers as well as the exhibitors and everyone who has visited this. It has been a wonderful experience for me actually, because many of the products which is on display perhaps I haven't seen anywhere, and maybe only in some kind of 5-star hotels and all, but this is very wonderful.
Facilitates a lot of innovation because you get to see not only the traditional stuff, but you also get to experience some of the new things like food trucks today, which is such a big thing, and there's some great innovation happening in our industry, and I think it's just forums like this which are able to showcase the creativity of our industry overall and pull the industry together to continue to lift our standards broadly. So I remain pretty optimistic that these kind of shows will do better and better as we get out of the pandemic and continue to facilitate growth for our industry overall.
Amazingly, my visitors have really shown a lot of interest, and we have real buyers coming now, B2B, because the hotels, the restaurants which were shut, which were ready to get constructed and completed, they were on hold for last 1.5–2 months. They've all started. I'm very happy that the response is amazing, and people our exhibitors are also very happy to receive that response.
I'm sure this is the first exhibition which is in reality happening since the pandemic started, and somebody has to be the first mover in this, and which is really remarkable for IHE. Even it is small in size, that one can understand why it is, but it is professionally done and it has the same experience as maybe the large one has.
I was here to attend one of the panel discussions on craft spirits at the Spirits Forum, and I also took the opportunity to move around and see what the exhibition is all about. And to my surprise, this is probably one of the finest and well-curated expo on hospitality. It has a blend of everything, right from the suppliers to people who are key players as professionals, right from chefs to bartenders to restaurant owners to hoteliers. Everybody is right there, and under one platform you have everything that you need.
Here I am with the food and beverages boss, Mr. Sanjay Kullar, whose food we've been eating since years and years in Delhi. Seasons, the best. And here's my partner, my brother Sachin. That's why I'm here, because of Sara Board. We always come to this expo because it really gives us lots and lots of business. We have the most brilliant wooden homes that India can ever produce, have, make, and this one right here is a small little example of it.
It's a great learning platform for everyone, even a professional chef like me. When we come here, we learn a lot of things. We meet so many old friends and interact with the new generation. So they're doing a fantastic work in bridging the young and the old generation together and showcasing their talent, our talent to everyone. So I feel really excited whenever I'm here, and they're doing a fantastic job.
There are not just exhibition, it is the culinary shows, the forums, the panels that are happening, great talks, and I wish IHE all the best in future too.
What we are taking back from here is that world is all ours if we stay as we want to be, and we can, with the pandemic, what we have been talking about, things have been gone down, but no, it is coming back, and I think the world is coming back to normal soon.
Hospitality is changing gears. Hospitality is moving in different directions now. And post-COVID, I think a lot of students are very low in their morale that, oh my God, what is going to happen to us? Hey, listen, nothing is going to happen to you. It's just a 2-year break. Take it at that, but learn, because that's what is going to take you forward.
I definitely look forward to the masterclass, which is based on the sustainability and what is available in India. Actually, COVID has taught us whatever is available within your country, you must use it. And there's a plethora of ingredients which are available with us. So happy cooking and good times.
India is ready to do big physical shows. Thank you so much. Welcome to the next 2 days of IHE 2021.
It was a wonderful experience for us to meet a lot of exhibitors over here. We have been seeing and participated in Indian Culinary Forum, chefs competition as well. So overall the experience like IHE has given to us, it's marvelous.
I have been awarded today the India Hospitality Expo Architect of the Year Award, and I would like to thank IHE and IEML for honouring me and bestowing me with this grace, with this Architect of the Year Award for 2021.
My heartiest congratulations to the organisers, Mr. Hari Dadu, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, for putting together a forum where all the hospitality professionals are finally able to get out and meet in person and are able to interact and enjoy the benefits of such a brilliant exhibition which stands to benefit pretty much everybody in the hospitality industry.
मैं समझता हूँ जितना हमारा एग्जीबिटर है सब बहुत खुश है, सबको बहुत अच्छे से बिजनेस मिल रहा है। जो विजिटर हमारा आ रहा है उसको अच्छे क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छी रेंज देखने को मिल रही है।
I had a very good time here because I actually got to interact with a lot of people from Pan India. It was just not Delhi. I met a lot of people from all over the states. I met quite a bit architects and interior designers as well as consultants. So I think it was a good experience, and I would actually want to now venture out and go for more exhibitions. It's actually given me a lot of scope and made me realize there's much more there.